Welcome to Cougar Mountain Software Denali Essential Training.
Denali AP Codes. Denali AP Codes. Denali Accounts Payable codes are a codified way to set the general ledger accounts and aging period lengths for AP vendors. Every AP vendor must have an AP code attached to direct the postings to the appropriate GL accounts. The AP code is the first field to be set when creating a new AP vendor. To begin creating AP codes, select the AP codes item from the Options menu. The AP code must first be set by a 6-digit alphanumeric designation. This can be any combination of letters or numbers. Once the code is set, a description should be entered for that code. After the description is entered, a bank code from bank reconciliation must be entered to designate the bank account from which the payments will come for vendors with this AP code. Aging periods must then be entered. These should match the periods for the vendors closely. For example, if a vendor requires payment within 20 days, the current period should be set to 20 days. Vendors may charge interest or other penalties based on aging periods, so the period lengths should reflect this. Once the aging periods are set, the accounts can then be set. The liability account is the GL account where expense amounts will be accumulated prior to being paid. The undistributed account is where the credits for future liabilities will go. If future liabilities are not used, just enter the normal liability account. The cash account is where vendor payments will be credited if bank reconciliation is not used. Otherwise, the account is defaulted to the bank code. The discount account number will be credited if an early payment is made and is the difference between the billed amount and the discounted amount. Once these general ledger accounts are set, the code can then be saved. The AP codes can then be applied to a new vendor. AP codes cannot be changed on existing vendors. In order to change an AP code on a vendor, a new vendor number must be created. Once the vendor is saved, transactions for that new vendor will be processed and posted according to the AP code.